Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are keeping safe and everybody is doing okay. So welcome back. Thank you for passing by and thank you for the love and support that you've shown on my channel. Keep the love coming. I really appreciate it, and thank you for your engagement on the comment section as well. Thank you so much, guys. Anyway, on today's video, I'm going to be talking about how cancer affects finances. So I know everybody would, it's really general knowledge that cancer treatment is expensive. And hearing it from me, guys, I went through that and it is really very much expensive. So I think whether you have medical insurance or you don't have medical insurance, one way your finances are going to be affected. So what I would say is that try to always have a savings account, whether you have any illness or you have, your life is going well. Try to always have a savings account, because that can come handy if you unfortunately diagnosed with any chronic illness. So if you have medical insurance, it also depends on which plan you're on and what they are willing to cover. So I know some medical insurance would say, we'll cover everything, all your treatments, all your medication, your hospital stay and all that. But there's some medical plans where they cover like maybe 70% or 80%. My plan was covering 80% and I had to pay for the 20%. So you can imagine how broke I was at that time. And also another thing, you need to understand that you need to buy like home remedies. That's money that you need as well. And also another thing that I would say is that whether you full-time employed or part-time employed, you will run out of sick leave days. You have your 20 days or 25 days or whatever your company offers for sick leave. You will run out of those days and you will end up using your annual leave days. And once that is out, that means that you literally getting unpaid leave. So unpaid leave means no money coming into your account, no salary, no income. So definitely that would mean that you in trouble, honey. You're in trouble financially. And also another thing that you need to do your extensive intensive research on is the surgery procedure, how much it costs, how long do they expect you to stay in hospital, and which hospital you're going to be admitted in, so that you sort of prepare yourself mentally and financially for your hospital stay and your hospital procedures. Because mine, they had said that I should stay in hospital for 10 days, but God blessed me and I only stayed for 4 days. So if you're going to have your anesthetic, whatever they call it, that thing, and your drips and the procedure itself, and nurses that come around to check your temperature, to check your heart rate and all those medical things, that's money that you have to pay for. And sometimes you might even need to go through physio after that. So if your medical insurance doesn't cover physio, then it means you'd have to pay from your own pocket. So unfortunately, you know what, guys, I know finances are not easy for everybody, even myself. Like, finances are not easy, but if you can save as much as you can for any rainy day that might face or come your way in future. And also another thing that you need to be aware of is that, guys, if you can, create a GoFundMe to raise money for your cancer treatment. If you can, create that, because there are people who are very kind-hearted out there, people who are really willing to help for a good cause. Create that GoFundMe account and raise some monies for you to get your medical treatment. And also I think in general, if you have a good support system and good people in your life, they can help you financially. And anyway, the Bible says that we need to help each other, and blessed is the hand that gives than the one that receives. So if you are in a position where you can help someone with paying for their treatment or anything that you feel like this is for really a genuine and good cause, please go for it, guys. Go for it, and God is going to bless you in return abundantly. Trust me. So that's it, guys. if you're going through any cancer treatment, or you know somebody who's going through cancer treatment, advise them to really read through their treatment plan and understand the financial implication on it. I know some companies also have some disability, cover and all that. If you don't work because of illness or injury, then they use those funds. So know also your work policies, your work contracts as well, in order for you to be covered in terms of your finances, because nothing comes for free. Even here in the land in London, in the UK, I know that NHS, it's free medical care, but actually it's not free. It's my tax money. I'm paying for tax, so it's not really free. Somebody is paying for that money one way or the other. Somebody is paying for your hospital, treatment one way or the other. So thank you guys for watching. Just be on the outlook, guys. Don't let any illness catch you sleeping financially. Don't let it catch you sleeping financially. And if you go through a rough phase where you have no money, you're broke, you're out and about, just try and do some adjustments in your finances and your lifestyle. Maybe move to a smaller place, or move back home, or move in with a close relative, so that you just try and cut on expenses as much as you can. Yeah, please just make sure that your finances are in order. Your finances are in order. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and always remember that God restores. Even after you go through that phase and you are broke, you are hungry, you don't afford the lifestyle that you used to live before, trust me, we serve a God that restores, and definitely God will restore your health. God will restore your emotional well-being, and God will surely restore your finances as well. And remember, God is our provider, guys. So always run back to the source of it all. God is the source of our finances. God is the source of our good health. So always run back to God. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Ta-da. Bye.